We'll guide you through how to install Flutter in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, Pauser is going to continue the video.
Now just go ahead and open your preferred web browser and then just go to your search bar and just go ahead and search for Flutter and hit enter. And after that, you will see the official website for Flutter, which is flutter.dev. Just go ahead and click on the official website. And once that you are on the official website, just go ahead and click on get started at the top right. And after that, just go ahead and scroll down and select your operating system. So in my case, it's going to be Windows. So I'll just click on Windows. After selecting, just scroll down, just go ahead and click on it to download the zip file. And here is also a note. So you must select a location that does not have a special character or spaces in its path and does not require elevated privileges. So just go ahead. So just keep that in mind. So now, as you can see, download has started. So it's 1.8 GBs. So I'll just wait for it to finish. And also you should avoid installing it inside the program file folder. This can cause issue later when running Flutter command. Once that the download is complete, just go ahead and click on this folder icon to go to the folder. And now here it is. So basically just go ahead and click on it and choose to extract all and just go ahead and extract it. So I'll just go ahead and wait for the extraction to complete. And once the extraction is finished, you'll see a folder named Flutter. Just go ahead and select the folder and press Ctrl C on a keyboard to copy, and then just go inside the local disk C and then just go ahead and press Ctrl V to paste it here. So now just wait for the copy to complete. And after the copy is complete, just go inside the Flutter folder and here just go inside the bin folder. And now go to the address bar and just go ahead and click on it and press Ctrl C to copy the path. And once that you have done that, go to your Windows search bar and search for environment variable. And just go ahead and edit the system environment variable. And this particular pop-up will appear. Now just go ahead and click on system variable. And now you will see user variable for user. Here you will see path. Just go ahead and click on it and choose to edit. And now here click on new and then press Ctrl V to paste your path and click on OK and click on OK and click on OK. After that, you can just go ahead and click on OK. And now let's verify the Flutter was installed correctly. So just go ahead and go to your Windows search bar and type cmd to open the command prompt. After that, in your command prompt, just go ahead and type the following command. Just type flutter space _ and version and then hit enter. And you will get this message. So again, go ahead and run flutter space _ and version and hit enter. Now, if the Flutter is installed successfully, you will see the version number displayed on your screen just like so. This confirms that the Flutter has been added to your system path and is ready to use. Now, for more complete setup, you can just go ahead and type flutter space doctor and hit enter. This command checks your system and tells you if there are any additional tools that you need to install, such as Android Studio, the Android SDK, or other dependencies required for Flutter development. And as you can see, it has found two issues, which are Visual Studio and unable to locate the Android Studio. And you can also just go ahead and simply click on it and download it from here also directly. And that's it. That's how you install Flutter on Windows. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials.